Welcome to Incredible Lab channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to enable accessibility button in your Android phone. Now the first thing you have to do is swipe from top to bottom and then tap on this gear icon to open up your settings app. Now from here scroll all the way down. After that go to accessibility option. From here go to advanced settings, and at the top you can see accessibility button option. Just tap here. If you want to enable it, just select action option. And here you can see so many options. You can choose any settings as you like. If I select color filter and then go back, and it's done. You can see here at the bottom accessibility button has been enabled successfully. You can also change this location from here. You can choose navigation bar or floating over the apps, but I suggest you to set navigation bar, and that way you can easily change your accessibility button position. If I go to home screen, then just tap here, and you can see color filter has been enabled successfully. Then just tap here again to disable it, and that's it. And that is how you can enable accessibility button in your Android phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.